gonna play a game, okay? And if you win, this $20 can be yours.
Okay.
Okay? But you have to do exactly what I do. You got it? So you have 3 water, right? Hold this. It's for you. It's for you. It's for you. Just put it on the left side. On the left side with the water.
Over here, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So now you have to lift this up.
Mm-hmm.
Let me see if you can do it just like that. Put it right here. Okay, that's good.
What?
Yeah, you gotta do exactly what I say, you know? Back here again. Try to blow. Did it move? Okay, it moved. That's good. Put it here.
Is it a game or is
Yeah, it's a game. See? You can go in, right?
Oh, yeah, right? You're trying to do,
Yeah,
okay.
now you can put inside like
Yeah,
that.
like you put like... Put inside?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Then you can see. Drink the water a little bit, just
Then you
thirsty.
can see like...
What's
Yeah, I'm
yours?
very thirsty. No,
Yeah.
no, cheers for water. Mm-hmm. Now what?
Yo, he lost! You lost! Yo, see?
Drink like
Ah,
Drink like
I said drink, yeah, but you have to do exactly what I say, right? Oh my god.
After you said drink, you didn't say anything. Like,
Yeah, I didn't say the game was to follow me, right? You have to win. That's the game, right? Yeah, so I won, they lost. Yo, that $20 could be yours, bro. Can you do?
Yeah,